and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 9 of Vlogmas. Welcome guys, and I hope you guys will have a productive day. Hoping to do so. Not sure how much I can vlog today, but I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys. Bye. Hey guys, I am back home. Ooh. So yes guys, I am back home. Oh my god, my hair is itching me so bad because it is in desperate need of processing, and it seems from I said I was gonna do it tomorrow, it has me itching like crazy and I can't scratch it, so I have to be doing this. Oh my god. So anyways guys, I wanted to show you guys my cherry gift, the gift I got from my cherry. So on the first one I got a champagne. Second time I got this. It says follow your dreams. Good thing it's not breakable. So it's this, and it says follow your dreams, and when I'm decorating for Christmas I'm gonna put it up somewhere. Ooh, that hurts. And then I got this. So I'm gonna put you guys down. Yes guys, I know you might be lean, but I'm sorry. So yes, I got this. It's a apricot, what's that, sherbet body scrub. So we gonna smell, because I've never owned a body scrub. I don't think I've ever used one, so I don't know how to use it. Comment down below and tell me if this can be used on my face, because it says body, right? My face is a part of my body. It looks so good. So yes, that is the consistency. Smells pretty good. So it's apricot body scrub. Exfoliates. I like this. It's cute. Thanks to my cherry. I think I know who she is. I'm not sure. We're not supposed to know. Ooh. Wow. Feels so good. This is definitely good. Yes. I'm gonna research this. Like, if body scrubs are good for the face, because guys, look at my face. Like, you guys can see that, right? I feel it's horrible. I need to get my face sorted out, but I don't know what to use. I think I'm gonna, you know, sacrifice and buy like a wash, a scrub, a mask, toner, all sorts of stuff. At the moment I have an acne treatment thing for my face. It was burning it, so I'm assuming that it doesn't agree with my face. I don't know. Your girl don't know. Yeah. So yes guys, I do want to buy something. Either I buy a ring, or I buy, as in a, what do you call that, light selfie ring. Don't mind over there. I need to clean. Yes, I have clothes to fold. I have a lot of cleaning to do, which I haven't started for Christmas. So yeah, we behind time, but we gonna get there. So yeah. Look at what my practice turned out to. Go
Okay, watch it back now.
AJ. What up, AJ? What up, AJ? I'm disturbing the people that practice. Oh my god. Y'all are crazy.
Come to paradise now.
You know how much room you use.
Mister?
Let me do well on me ear. Sit on the front them and grow me to me ear. So yeah, the sports in other good.
That's your problem, not mine.
Hello. Stop the video.
Everybody love me, blows me. I love me too.
Y'all get me demonetized with that music.
D what?
Demonetized.
What name so?
Actually,
This is a year.
Up close and personal if you put paparazzi.
I will send you.
Lucky. What the hell tell me about update password? It's time for you to improve your password.
To which one?
Facebook.
Oh, probably too easy.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you that. That's why I'm signing in. I mean, but already. You go on Facebook, Panda?
Up on the phone?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna head to bed right now, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I just want to say to you guys, thank you guys for watching today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment down below if you'd like a shout out. Today's comment of the day goes to this person right here. Thanks for commenting on my video. I hope you guys have a blessed day.